Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about some facts which you have never heard of. So let's begin our discussion. Fact number 1. Nowadays, deforestation has been taking in large amount in every place. So Columbia University has developed an artificial tree that passively soaks up carbon dioxide, which is 1000 times efficient than the real tree, which performs photosynthesis only in the presence of light. But this artificial tree can perform and soak carbon dioxide even at night also, which is amazing. Fact number 2. Did you know that which is the tree that stores the largest amount of water in it? So well, the answer is the baobab tree, which can store up to 1,20,000 liters of water in it. That's one of the wonders of nature. Fact number 3. Do you know which is the world's most poisonous plant? So, the world's most poisonous plant is Gimpy Gimpy, or you can simply say it suicidal plant, which is a plant common to rainforest areas in the northeast of Australia and also in Indonesia. It has stinging hairs which covers the whole plant and deliver a potent neurotoxin when touched by the small blood that is found on the tip of the stinging hairs being broken off and penetrating the skin to inject the toxin. It is the most toxic of the Australian species of stinging trees. It is so painful that it has led many animals as well as humans kill themselves. The pain is described as a mixture of an acid burn and electric shock. The pain is very harsh. Mostly anyone who touches it prefers to commit suicide than to bear the pain. In World War II, a soldier hid inside the bush of the suicidal plant and all the toxin get into his body. He cannot bear the pain, so he took out his revolver and shot himself. Fact number 4. Do you know that when helium, which is a gas, is cooled to near about absolute zero, minus 273 degrees Celsius, it becomes a liquid that flows against gravity. Fact number 5. Do you know who got the longest standing ovation in Oscar history? So well, when Charlie Chaplin received his honorary Oscar, he got a 12-minute standing ovation, which is the longest in the Oscar history. Fact number 6. I promise that this fact will amaze you. On September 30th, 1956, during a drunken argument at the bar, a man named Thomas Fitzpatrick claimed that he could fly an airplane from New Jersey to New York in 15 minutes, but his friends disagreed to him. To prove himself right, he stole an airplane, flew without light or radio completely intoxicated at 3 a.m. and landed the airplane in the streets in front of the bar. 2 years later, he did it again because a man at the bar refused to believe his story. Fact number 7. There is a species of frog in Alaska that freezes during the winter, and while frozen, the frog stops breathing, its heart stops beating, its blood stops flowing, and it cannot move from one place to another. However, when spring arrives, the frog's body thaws and the frog returns to normal life. Nature has made what a wonderful creature, no? That's amazing. Fact number 8. Bees can actually make colored honey. It was found that bees were making blue and green honey after eating candies. Fact number 9. Have you heard of the red bananas? There are a subgroup of bananas from Southeast Asia. They taste like normal bananas but with a hint of raspberry sweetness. They provide many nutrients that may benefit your immune system, circulatory system and digestion. Fact number 10. Now, I'm gonna tell you about the relationship between Abraham Lincoln and John F. Kennedy. So let's begin. Abraham Lincoln was elected to Congress in 1846. John F. Kennedy was elected to Congress in 1946. Lincoln was elected president in 1860. Kennedy was elected president in 1960. Both were particularly concerned with civil rights. Both wives lost a child while living in the White House. Both presidents were shot on a Friday. Both presidents were shot in the head. Now, it's getting weird, no? Lincoln's secretary was named Kennedy. Kennedy's secretary was named Lincoln. Both were assassinated by Southerners. Both were succeeded by Southerners named Johnson. Andrew Johnson, who succeeded Lincoln, was born in 1808. Andrew Johnson, who succeeded Kennedy, was born in 1908. John Wilkes Booth, who assassinated Lincoln, was born in 1839. Lee Harvard Oswald, who assassinated Kennedy, was born in 1939. Both assassins were known by their three names. Both names are composed of 15 letters. Now hang on to your seat. Lincoln was shot at a theater named Ford. Kennedy was shot in a Lincoln car made by Ford. Booth and Oswald were assassinated before their trials. Here's the kicker. A week before Lincoln was shot, he was in Monroe, Maryland. A week before Kennedy was shot, he was with Marilyn Monroe. But wait, there's more. Lincoln was shot in a theater and the assassin ran to the warehouse. Kennedy was shot from a warehouse and ran to a theater. What a coincidence. Hope you liked our video. So leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.